Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making Hawaiian Kalua pork in the Instant Pot. So what we need is pork shoulder roast, 3 to 4 pounds. And for the seasonings, we're using liquid smoke, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. And we also need a cup of water for pressure cooking. So I'm going to start by adding water to the Instant Pot. So here's a cup of water. And I'm also going to use a trivet just to keep pork out of the water. But if you don't have a trivet, you can just put meat directly in the water. That will work well too. So I added the trivet. Now I'm going to season the pork roast. So for the seasonings, I just season it, to taste. I just sprinkle it. But if you want the exact quantities, here I'll tell you. So this is a 3-pound roast. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. But I just like to eyeball my spices. So let's season pork on both sides. So drizzle it with liquid smoke. And sprinkle with garlic powder. Salt. Black pepper. And now I'm going to rub the seasonings in. And then flip the pork roast over and season the other side. So again, I'll sprinkle the liquid smoke. It really gives it a great smoky flavor. And sprinkle the salt. Black pepper. And garlic powder. And rub the seasonings in. And once we season the pork roast, let's transfer it to the Instant Pot. And let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 90 minutes on high pressure. So 90 minutes is 1 hour and 30 minutes on high pressure, and it will cook this pork to perfection. It's going to be super tender. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's let the pressure release naturally for 20 minutes. So the pressure has been releasing naturally for 20 minutes, and now let's release the remaining steam if it hasn't done it already. So now the pressure has been released and the steam has dropped. So let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here is perfectly cooked pork. And now let's take the pork roast out of the Instant Pot. So I'm taking it out and I'll put it in the bowl. See, so easy with a trivet. And now you just need to shred it, and you can do it with 2 forks. See, this meat is so tender, so it shreds super easily. Such tender pork. Instant Pot makes it so easy to cook it. So now this pork is perfectly shredded, and you can add some of the cooking liquid back depending on how much liquid you want. So this is a delicious broth here. Just makes it so moist. Actually add some more of that. So you just add the cooking liquid to taste. So I'm guessing I used about half of that. And you can also taste it to see if it has enough seasoning. So if it needs more salt, that's the time to add it. And it looks amazing. Now let's try it. So we'll just put some here on a plate. Perfect. This Kalua Hawaiian pork, it goes great over rice. Such an easy dish. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. It just seems so tender. This Kalua pork is so tender, it just melts in your mouth. So easy to make and so delicious. You will love it. And Instant Pot makes it super easy. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!